Hi my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am so excited to do this one. I will be showing you how to make chicken shawarma. Very tasty and delicious one. And it's not like I will just be showing you how to make it alone. I will be showing you every single thing you need to know about making chicken shawarma. From the chicken, from spicing the chicken to the filling to the vegetables you are going to be using, how to incorporate everything into each other and how to get a very tasty one. Are you not excited? I am super excited. But without so much being said, please quickly hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed yet. Your subscription makes my heart melt, I swear. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up at the end of this video if you consider it useful. And of course, I am very sure you are going to gain a lot of things, if not one or two. You will gain so much from this video. Drop your comments in the comment section, your suggestions, the recipe you want me to post next. Just drop them in the comment section. And without so much being said, let's get right into business, shall we? So, making a very tasty shawarma starts from the base, and your base is your chicken. You can prefer to use meat, turkey, or whatever you want to use, but I don't think they use fish for shawarma. So it's either you use chicken, your beef, or your turkey. I think there is turkey shawarma. Turkey will work too. But the most important thing is ensuring that your protein is properly spiced, because it is the protein gone that is giving the shawarma taste. So what we want to do now is make the marinade of our chicken. This is our chicken. So I want to make the marinade of my chicken. That is what I'm going to be using to properly spice my chicken before I put it in my air fryer or oven. I will be using air fryer today because I feel like my air fryer is very portable and it's going to save me from a lot of cleaning stress. So I'll just be popping it into my air fryer, then I'll go straight into prepping my vegetables. So let's make our marinade now. And for our marinade, we are going to be using orobo chicken. This is the normal regular chicken, but it is best we use chicken breast or soft chicken. That way it grills faster. But because that is out of my reach right now, I'm making use of this regular orobo chicken, the big chicken they sell in the market. I'm using chicken laps. That works perfectly, but you can use any other part of your chicken. The most important thing is that you are deboning the chicken right after grilling. You don't want to eat any bone while eating your shawarma. I'm going to be using some vegetable oil. I have my dried rosemary here. There is a very special flavor rosemary gives your shawarma. So I'll be making use of dried rosemary. I'll be making use of my dried thyme. I'll be making use of ginger garlic powder. I'll be making use of curry powder, some salt. I have my seasoning cube here. I'll be making use of that also. And for some extra flavor and hotness and spiciness, I'll be making use of my habanero pepper and onions. So let's just blend all of this and marinate our chicken. We'll be making use of the vegetable oil first. The vegetable oil is serving as the liquid to loosen it up when I'm blending, and it also serves as what is going to combine all the ingredients. So I'll be making use of this vegetable oil. A little, you don't want to use too much because chicken already contains some amount of oil already, but I just want to use vegetable oil to blend the mixture. I'm using vegetable oil to blend the mixture instead of water. That way the vegetable oil, I think vegetable oil holds ingredients better than water since I am grilling. So I'm going to be making use of this vegetable oil. I'll be going in with it into my blender first. Now I'll be going in with my seasoning cube. I'm going to be blending my seasoning cube because I want the blender to properly crush the seasoning cube, and that way there is like seasoning in every part of the chicken because the blender has already crushed it and it has already mixed with every other ingredient. So let's just go with our seasoning cube, our onion and habanero pepper, curry powder, ginger garlic powder, dried thyme, interesting, dried rosemary, some some pinch of salt to taste. I will be covering this up and I will be blending in just 2 seconds or 5 seconds. My butcher meat blender is going to perform magic in just 5 seconds. So let me just quickly blend it now.
So that the spices can absorb into the chicken, we are pet drying the chicken. I'm using a clean kitchen napkin to pet dry my chicken first before I go in with my marinade. You know, water and oil are opposites of each other. So because the oil content that we use in making our marinade, we don't want water in our chicken, so that the oil and the chicken and the spices can absorb into each other and the spices can be well penetrated into the chicken. I am cutting off the chicken anus because I don't want that. I don't need that. So I'm just going to be fixing my air fryer now, and I will be popping that into my air fryer carefully. I love using my air fryer to grill my chicken when it is not much. Once I set it to the chicken function, it is good to go. I'll just let that be while I prep my vegetables. The trick here is to thinly slice your cabbage. Slice it thinly, that way it is finer and it looks good. It looks better than when you just cut it anyhow. This is a whole lot of cabbage right here, and I'm going to chop all of them, all of it. I love using just cabbage and carrots while making my shawarma. I don't want a lot of mixed veggies. I don't want to taste so much vegetables in my shawarma, like plenty kind of vegetables in my shawarma. I don't want that. But you can also incorporate something like cucumber. Some people even add tomatoes, fresh tomatoes to their shawarma, but I don't want that. And again, not everybody love the taste of fresh tomatoes. So making do of these two vegetables are just okay for me. Once I'm done with grating my carrots, I'll proceed to check on the chicken that is in the air fryer. I'm very sure by then it will have been ready, if not even past the time of cooking, but let's just check it. It was past time and our chicken is ready, properly grilled to perfection. Look at the excess oil we got from our chicken. I'm going to use that same oil to just grill my hot dog in the air fryer also. I don't want to use my pot. This air fryer saves a lot of stress. I'm just going to set my air fryer timer to 12 minutes. In 12 minutes at 150 centigrade, our hot dog should be properly cooked. It should be cooked to perfection. While our hot dog is in the air fryer, we'll proceed to deboning our chicken because we don't want to have any feel of bone while it's in our shawarma. So carefully remove the flesh, that is the meat of the chicken, from the bone of the chicken. Carefully remove all the meat. You don't want to waste any meat. Remove all the meat and separate it from the bone. And 12 minutes later, our sausages are properly air fried. We are going to keep that alongside with the chicken. Before proceeding to the next step, look at how tasty this looks.
So now that we've prepped our chicken and our sausages with our vegetables, let's now make our cream, and with just 4 simple ingredients. Basically just 3, but with one more extra ingredient that makes it 4. We are going to pull up a very nice cream that is going to be suitable to blend the spiciness of the chicken and the vegetable. So all we need for our cream are just our mayonnaise, ketchup, evaporated milk, and suya pepper. You can make use of chili pepper, that works too, but I love the flavor of suya pepper in my shawarma.
Now we'll go in with some mayonnaise, then add in our ketchup, then add in some evaporated milk. This evaporated milk literally takes our shawarma sauce game from 10 to 100. It makes it so creamy and more tastier. Before we go in with our suya pepper or suya spices, give that a good mix till it is combined just like this. Now gracefully pour that into the vegetables and add in the chicken. I love to add in my chicken with my vegetables so that I can blend everything together, so that the vegetables and the cream and the chicken, everything can blend to each other, so that when I'm taking a bite of the vegetables, I'm also taking a bite of chicken. I'm taking in taste of the cream, and everything is just blending well. Now is either you tear open your shawarma wrap or make use of 2 wraps, but I love to make use of 2 wraps because I love the feel of shawarma bread. I love to feel my shawarma bread. I love it when my shawarma bread is thick. So I am making use of 2 wraps. I'll be filling in my veggies and cream before I go in with the hot dog. I'll just carefully roll this. Because I overfilled my wraps with a lot of filling, I'm going to support this with some cooking paper or parchment paper. You can also use foil paper to support it, or just roll it with just the shawarma bread if you did not overfill your shawarma bread. Once that is done, the next step is to just heat up your wraps. I'm going to heat it up right now on my stove top. Some people use a grill to heat it up, but we don't have a grill right now, so we'll be making use of what we have. It's so hot. So I'll be heating it up with my pots. I'll just be flipping that so that both sides can be properly heated and everything is warm, because we don't want to eat cold shawarma. Once heated, once you slice open your shawarma, you should get this. But guys, I lost my last clip. I couldn't show you while I was slicing it open, but here is the picture of what it looks like.